In this video, I will be showing you how to make serum bottle label in Canva. Let's get started. I start on the Canva homepage and head straight to the search bar to find some inspiration. I type in serum bottle label and hit enter to see the available templates. As the results load, I scroll through the various designs, looking for a layout that matches my brand's aesthetic. I really like this minimalist Zach Beauty design, so I'll click on it and then select Customize this template to open it in the editor. Once the workspace loads, I begin personalizing the label by updating the brand name. I double-click the main text and type Aura to replace the placeholder. Next, I want to swap out the central graphic. I navigate to the Elements tab on the left-hand sidebar and search for Fruits Outline. I'll click See All under Graphics to browse more options, and then refine my search to Citrus Fruits Outline to find the perfect match. I'll select this new citrus illustration, delete the original one, and then position and resize my new graphic so it sits perfectly in the center. Now I'll move down to the product details. I click on the volume text at the bottom and update it from 30 milliliters to 50 milliliters. To add a final custom touch, I select the thin accent line near the bottom of the design. I open the color picker and choose a soft yellow shade from the palette to update the look. Now my custom serum label is complete and looks great. Thanks for watching this tutorial on creating professional product labels in Canva.